Okay, adulting. Billie Jean, eyebrows on fleek.
On what? Girl, no one has said that since 2016.
Swerve.
Why are you sounding like my 30-year-old sister? Wait, can you only speak in millennial?
Yas.
Jess, usually I will defend you, but today I cannot. There's thing 1, but where's thing 2?
Billie Jean just bounced, Becky.
Bounced?
Hundo P.
You're being weirder than usual.
RT.
Huh?
Bye, Felicia.
My name's Becky. Jess, do you like Danny?
Nah, fam.
Oh, really? That's too bad.
Spill the tea, Charlie.
I don't know for sure, but I think he's gonna ask you to the dance tomorrow.
Bet?
Well, he was, but maybe you shouldn't if you're on your challenge week, because you're being kinda cringe.
The struggle is real.
Don't worry, I was a mess on mine too, but I also wasn't about to go on my first date.
Mood.